in this video. This Bitcoin data is showing us a very bullish movement for this month of November. And we are also going to take a quick look with SLP as right now, our analysis is playing out exactly as predicted. But the question is, what's next for SLP? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So in this video, we are going to talk about this bigger time frame kay Bitcoin kasi we are now at the month end for the Bitcoin price action. And we all know that a month end is going to be giving us a monthly candle close. And with that being said, I also want to bring up this Bitcoin profit and loss chart for the past 11 years. And you can see na we have been following this average PNL data for the past 11 years. And then we were actually using this average PNL in determining kung magiging bullish pa tayo for the next month or bearish in the next month. And as you can see, we have been following this ever since the month of July. And look at that. Everything has been playing out exactly as predicted. As you can see, we were expecting a recovery for July, small profits for August, bearish red month for September, and then another recovery for the month of October. And as you can see, those movements have been playing out exactly as predicted. And today, I think we are going to close with a monthly candle close of 28% in profits. As you can see, everything is pretty much following exactly as predicted for the Bitcoin price. So now what's next? So if you're going to look at this historical Bitcoin data, you can actually see na every bull market year, the month of November will always yield to a higher return. So you look at this, 2013, we saw a 400% pump. 2017, 52% pump, which is higher than October. In yung previous action natin, higher than October. And for last year, you can see na 40%, it's actually higher than the month of October. So in this case, what the Bitcoin data is telling us na yung average PNL natin for the month of November would be much higher than the month of October. So you can see, we are actually going to get higher returns than the month of October. And then you can actually see if you're going to plot the average PNL chart into this bar chart, you can see na yung ating month of November would yield to a higher return. So right now, this is what we are going to expect. For the month of November, we have to be prepared if we are going to see a bigger movement for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, right now, you can see na yung ating Bitcoin price is playing exactly at this moving averages. And yeah, if ma-break natin to, actually we are starting to break this one out. And you can see now, this is an ascending triangle. We can see a big movement for the Bitcoin price. And where is this going to take us? So to answer that, what we're going to do is we're going to plot a Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the lowest low. And then you can see na ating mga milestone would be around the $65,000 US, $87,000 US, the $123 US, $160,000 US, and last but not the least, the $182,000 US. So right now, ang dami natin pwede iakyat for the Bitcoin price, especially we are entering for the month of November and basing this on historical data. At least meron tayong basis kung ano pwede natin expect in the coming days. Data models can be wrong, but at least it can give us a perspective on what can we expect in the coming months, especially if we don't know what can we expect. At least itong data, magagamit natin siya for our predictive analysis in the coming months. So yeah, that is for the Bitcoin price. We are looking very bullish for the coming months. And yeah, siguro, of course, there will be a short-term dump pa din na mangyari, but you get the point na yung ating overall returns would be much bigger. It's just that mas mapapansin natin siya in the bigger time frame kasi yung smaller time frames, of course, would get those mini cycles na magkakaroon ng pump and dump action for the smaller time frame. But the overall movement is going to be very bullish. And if you're going to look at this in the historical data, you can see na Bitcoin has that habit of pumping and dumping for a very short term, but the overall trend niya is upward. So yeah, that is for the Bitcoin price. And guys, if you haven't seen my video on Bybit, I highly suggest you check that one out, which I posted earlier today. So siguro ilagay ko yung code niya dito sa taas, or I will leave a link dito sa description natin. And then yeah, if you want to claim bonus dito sa Bybit, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So yeah, dito sa video, makita nyo kung paano ako nag-cash in and paano ako nag-trade sa futures dito kay Bybit. So yeah, tingnan nyo yung video guys. You can see that in my channel or check that in the link in the description down below. So yeah, that is for the Bitcoin price. Now let's talk about SLP kasi 'di ba? Sa ating previous analysis, 'di ba, yung ating tinitingnan natin was with the 20-day moving average. But right now, ating fina-follows the 50-day moving average. And look at that. We are breaking out exactly. And look at that. We saw that massive run up for SLP exactly as predicted. So congratulations guys if you have seen my previous video with SLP. Kasi 'di ba, sabi natin the 50-day moving average would be a much bigger resistance na pag na-break natin, we can see a higher movement. And right now, we are playing that one out. We are breaking that one out. So what's next for SLP? So right now, ang next milestone for SLP is the 100-day moving average. Pero right now, di ba na-break natin yung 50-day moving average? What SLP must do is it should sustain this movement above this area in order for us to remain bullish with SLP. So right now, we are relatively bullish with SLP. And yeah, we need to hold this support line, which is the 100-day moving average. So possible kasi na mag-reject siya ng konti and then we can actually get that bounce. Pero ang ating next milestone would be the 100-day moving average, which you can see na nag-form ngayon dito. And then na nag-start na mag-print yung data natin, you can see na ito, it's actually playing this area. So right now, ang next resistance na titingnan natin is the 100-day moving average for SLP. And looking at this in the RSI, you can actually see na hindi pa tayo overbought nor oversold. So meron tayong malaking room for improvement for SLP na pwede siyang iakyat. So right now, that's what we are monitoring. It's not yet a good buy nor selling opportunity as you can see dito sa daily time frame. Pero in the shorter time frames like 4-hour time frame, it's a good selling opportunity for the 4-hour time frame, indicating na it's a good take profit area if you are just trading it for the very short term. Especially in the early time frame, you can see na overbought tayo. So yeah, that is a good take profit area in the very short term in the early. So if you are trading that for the very short term, take profit ka na. Pero if you're investing it for the long term, then yeah, I suggest na siguro hodl ka pa din sa ngayon. And guys, if you want to long or short SLP, the only place where you can long and short SLP is actually in MEXC. So in MEXC, you can actually trade different NFT tokens. Kasi unlike kay Binance, hindi ka pwede mag-leverage trade na SLP kay Binance. So if gusto mo mag-leverage trade na SLP, I highly suggest you trade it with MEXC. So if you want to trade with MEXC, you can use my sign-up link that you can find in the description down below. So yun yung update natin for today guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.